Now let's do some examples of questions you might see. Here's one where we're supposed to find out what is the reserve ratio. All you'd have to do is look at to find the reserve ratio, find out what the required reserves are, and then find out total deposits. And whatever required reserves are, divided by the total deposits would have to be the ratio. This is required reserves divided by total deposits is 20%. So I know the required reserve ratio would have to be 20%. Next example. Suppose a bank has $200,000 in deposits and a reserve ratio of 10%. How much excess reserves would it have if it had reserves of $45,000? So we need to take 10% of $200,000. 10% of $200,000 will tell us what the required reserves is, okay, and that's $20,000. So if they're required to hold $20,000 and they actually have $45,000, then they have an excess reserve of $25,000. A bank would loan out the $25,000 if it could, so that it could make money, because banks make money off making loans. So now the last one is, here's another one that would be commonly missed, is suppose Kayla withdraws $4,000 from her bank. Now, remember, if she has $4,000 in the bank account, the bank is loaning out whatever they can, and then through the money multiplier, that becomes more money in the economy. So let's see how much M1 would actually decrease if she took out $4,000. Well, $4,000 times the required reserve ratio of 25% would mean that the total money in the money system that could be possible would be 4,000 times 1 over 0.25, which is the same thing as 4 times 4, which is $16,000. So if she takes out her $4,000, then the banking system loses the $16,000 that occurred through the money multiplier, but she still has her $4,000, and now she has it in cash. So now she holds her $4,000. So the total money lost in the system is $12,000.